Thank you very much. Before starting that, I would say that it is a very pleasure to me that we have come to this case. The whole situation started with a dream back in 2008 in Bled, trying to define what the future internet would be. And after that dream, a lot of time has already gone through. A framework program came, PPP was introduced, and after two, I believe, successful phases, we are now close to the mid to the end of the second phase, and we are also going to the third phase. So I think what is very, very important is not only to present what is available now, but also what are the opportunities also for the others, and try to make this dream reality. This is what I would expect from all this stuff. So the FINESCE project is a project that is led by Ericsson. Fiona Williams is the project coordinator. And
Thank you.
Yeah, so great. Maybe someone has help here. Okay. So the sustainability of the industry. One is, of course, the ICT. ICT, we see it every day, and we believe that it is very important. The other problem is the energy. And especially in the area of energy, we have in Europe as industrial partners to be very careful. Europe does not have all the sources that other continents have. So we have to make this combination of ICT and energy, and in this way make the benefit or take the future internet and make it work in order to provide a smart energy. This is where FINESCE is coming. It is a continuation of a successful predecessor, which was the FINESCE, that defined the different areas. And now what we want to do here is to use ICT, to use the future internet, in order to lower the cost for application development in the area of energy, to provide easier access for new partners in the different trials that we provide, and also show scalability of applications in the area of energy. What is the offering of this project? As you may see here, there is a consortium that consists of many partners throughout Europe. What we offer is 7 very specific trials. And as you can see here, we have a trial that it is a virtual power plant, that it is in Germany. And this is even cross-border in some degree. We have the electric vehicle and the grid integration, which is a pilot that we have in Ireland. It is a smart factory that we have in Germany, and again it is a combination of a smart factory and energy. It is energy management in a community of 25 single family houses in Denmark, integrated energy management for office buildings in Spain, energy management system for buildings in Sweden, and a whole small city that we have in Italy. This is also a combination of the consumption of the whole city versus a marketplace that we have implemented there. By the way, it is the Terni city, not Trendler in this case. So how we access this and how the third parties may have access to these pilots. As you can see here, within FINESCE, we implement a framework. In this framework, we have different generic enablers coming from the fireware. The generic enablers are components that can be used in very many different applications. And we have also domain-specific enablers, which are components that have been implemented within FINESCE in order to access the different trials. And over that, what we offer is the API layer, so we provide a homogenized approach, so third parties that want to make smart applications for smart energy could go via this API and access the different pilots, the virtual power plant, the smart factory, the houses, and so on. So what we foresee, I'm finishing. So what we foresee here is the different FINESCE SMEs that go through that. Very important, it is that already in phase 3, there are projects that they are now in the process of negotiation, that they are going to accelerate this process. And they are projects that are in the area of smart energy. Especially if you are looking in this direction, you need to get in touch with all this stuff. And these are different publications and different open days where we really demonstrate this, and you can have access to this generic enablers and this information. Sorry for